Neenee's just checking the map here. Just giving me updates on...
Keep follow the road.
There's a bend up the road. We go around that, she said.
Number 11 road.
Number 11 road. This is the first PTT station, first fuel station on the way out of Attapeu. What's next stop, love?
Sekong.
Sekong. Okay, so it isn't far off the road. It's only about 1 kilometre off the road, about 20k shy of Sekong if you're heading from Attapeu. So we'll go down and see what this is like and see if it is worth the diversion. I thought Neenee was going to hang it out and do a pee then. But look at this through here. The same type of bamboo that we seen on Don Khon, hey? That's all right, mate. Shh. No one there. What's up? He doesn't want me going over there. Very protective of the girl, I think. That's all right, mate. I don't need to go over there. Good to see. Nice and clean down through here. Some of the other places around south that we've been travelling to, I must say they haven't been as fastidious as the north as far as keeping on top of their rubbish collection. But this is really nice through here. Some beautiful places in the south, but you've got to stop throwing rubbish out the window. We just passed a guy coming here and I gave him a good blurting on the horn just as we were out to overtake. He's throwing a large empty bottle of water out. Okay. Yeah, so that's the bridge we just drove across. I was looking up here, couldn't see anything, but I wasn't really having a good look either. How nice is this? Oh, you guys have got it all right. I can see you. Yeah. In here, just chilling at the falls, down the rock pools. Where's Neenee gone? She's dead set slow, that woman, isn't she? I'm not going to hurt you. Okay. Where's this? Comes out here. Can't work out where this water comes from. Hey, that looks like a fair deep little swimming hole, doesn't it? That does look good. Totally not what I expected. Just expected another waterfall, but these pools are bloody great. Wow. Putting all my trust in these bridges being good. Ah, okay. Now I can see it. The water does come along here and drops over here and then continues down. Alrighty then. Oh wow. Some nice worn paths there. How cool is that? Good little swimming spot, jumping off here, beach there. What a gem of a place. This is absolutely beautiful, this spot here. Another hidden little treasure. It's cool if there was nice bungalow accommodation up there. Not far from Sekong, which is not far from the back end of the Mahavong Plateau. We're probably about 140k from Paxi, inland, on the other side of the plateau. Can you hear me over the waterfalls? Without a doubt, one of my new favourite spots in Laos. This place has so much potential and such a good jumping point. Like, I'd be checking to see how deep it is first, but I don't know what I was going to say after that, but it's friggin' good. And Neenee hasn't even been over here yet. She's still making away. She's going to absolutely wet herself when she sees this. She's over there thinking, oh, how awesome's this? Wait till she sees this bit. Like, admittedly, I thought that bit was good, the swimming holes. It's got everything. Nice little flowing streams with nice swimming holes. Then you've got this baby. Yeah, there's a few sharp rocks as you go over the falls. Otherwise, and you don't know what's in at the bottom of the falls there. Otherwise, you just tube over there. Yeah, you wouldn't want to be bouncing off any of these hard suckers, would you? You're just better off running and jumping off here. There's more waterfalls here. Another great little swimming hole. It looks like it's not, but it looks like it's man-made with all these this river rock around it, doesn't it? And it's still coming out of there also, all through this section. This must just be a torrent of water in the wet season, hey? Be all up here and this would just be a rapid. But this time of year, stunning water. One thing I have noticed, yeah, look how clean that is in there. But wherever I find hidden waterways or rock pools or waterfalls that us in the West would think are absolutely stunning, I'd love to swim there and hang out, there's nobody here doing it. Like, it's coming up to about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a Monday. But if this was anywhere in the West, no matter what day of the week, there would be some people here chilling. Like, it's over 30 degrees Celsius, so it's plenty hot enough to swim. They are just not big swimmers, the Lao people. They'll come to places like this to take selfies and photos of the pretty place they visited, but using it as an actual destination to have a swim and muck around in. Because that's the beauty I see in places like this, not for a selfie opportunity. Maybe a video opportunity to show you guys. But this isn't muddy sand either, like in some places. This is sandy sand. Sandy sand. You hear the excitement in me voice. I love places like this, guys. I do. I really do. And Laos being a landlocked country, there are so many places you can be swimming like this, but you see very few people doing it. Friggin' typical me. I forgot my camera was waterproof. I could have taken yous with me. I'm not going back in. That water was... Oh! Rubber and water makes very slippery footwear. But look at this. How cool would it be go down there on a boogie board or just swimming down there. I should have done that. That looks nice and smooth in through here. Bushka. And then just bail out over here. Got it all worked out. Okay. We're going to have to get a move on. We're going to make it to Sekong before evening. Another place I don't want to leave and another place I want to return to. Just a good swimming hole. She's yelling out. She wants to know how to get down here, I bet. Yeah, we go back. She's telling me to get my ass up there. We're going back. So, the way it's laid out, it does look like a place that would get very, well, maybe not very busy, but a lot of tourists to here. But at the moment, we are the only ones. Scratch me bloody knee on a thorn bush. What have you found, Neenee?
Not
Getting a little bit nibbly.
just Japan.
See them seaweed,
No.
hey?
What you want? Coffee?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Is there accommodation here, over there?
มีบนพักบ่มีบ้านพัก
มันเป็น
Accommodation.
ผักปิ้น
พักค้างคืนนอนคืนมีบ่
มีแต่ว่าอันนั้น
มันปิด
ปิด
อยู่ทางข้างนี่
น
บ่
อนเต้น
นี่วะ SP นี่วะ
เนี่ยแหละ
อ๋อ then next have
แต่เดี๋ยวนี้
activity
They do have.
SP
Yeah.
C and S
That's how they have rooms.
now is
It's closed because.
of COVID
Okay. Yeah.
เดี๋ยว
Yeah.
นี้มันปิดประมาณ3-4 เมตร
before COVID is Thai people and
คาราวา
travel
นยังเขามา
Okay.
for camping here
Many foreigners.
มีหลายบ่ต่างประเทศมาบ่
The
โอ้
lungs.
ยลาย
many of
Yeah.
foreigners
Okay.
แม่น้ำจืด
Do people jump off the waterfall into the water?
มีคนกล้าโดดตั้งแต่ตาดหัวค
โอ้
น
ยมีเล็กน้อย
Yeah.
อายุ
Oh they have
Yeah. It looked deep.
children
Yeah.
6 ปีนี่เท่ากัน
Yeah. Because I didn't swim out far, and it was dropping off very quick, the water depth, especially at the bottom of the waterfall there. Is it always free to get in here? He never charged us.
ค่านั่นค่าปีดไปผ่านไปนี่
บ่ได้เก็บค่ารถก็บ่ได้เก็บ
How much?
no park no parking no for trans
Nothing.
That's
It's
free.
free to come.
เป็นยังคือเก็บแล้วอ่ะ
บ่ท่านได้เก็บเพราะว่าเข้ามันยังขับเขตมันยัง
อ๋อ
ท่านใด
he need to improve good more than this and
It's beautiful the way it is. It's natural.
the place is not beautiful enough to take money. I think it's not enough because you have to pay money to the government.
We paid money at the big waterfall,
Yeah.
and they had nothing there for us.
เอาเห็ดแบบพอเพียง
เราว่าเขาไปคอนพระเพลงหันเขาเจ้ายังเก็บปีก่อนสิเขาคนละ20,000 กีบ
Yeah.
อืม
So they live here on site, do they? This their house?
อันนี้เฮือนบ่เรือว่าเป็นบ้านสวนบ้านอ่ะ
เป็น
เป็นคือวันค่ายเรือไง
หานไข่เกียว
อ๋อ the shop
Just the shop. Okay.
but people
กับอายุไม่นี่แหละมัน
นี่แล้วจับนะ
นอนอยู่นี่
stay here
แต่
live
ว่ามี
here
เรื่อง
eat here but house in another place
This is really a really beautiful place. Let us know, guys. You've seen virtually the extent of it and the way it is laid out. Would you like nice fancy huts and proper tables, or do you think you would rather it just natural like this? What I seen, what we just traversed through there. I just know how in some places like this they just overdo it with developing it, putting a nice concrete path through over there and everything, and you know what I mean. You know, places like this should be kept as natural as possible. Yeah, that's what I like seeing anyway. Let us know what you think. Every
one will surely come my way.